What'd you say?
You guys asked for it. I'm on my way to work. I want to see it all.
How's the pizza?
It's good.
It's crazy. It's like, what?
You make ranch.
Hot as shit outside. 22 degrees. And this thing is still cold. It's whack.
Beautiful.
Damn, I wish I had like a mount so I can like. What was I doing yesterday? Let's see, hold on.
Oh, you're so close.
It doesn't. Probably gotta close up my fucking mouth. It feels really weird.
Yeah.
And it's funny because it's like, you're like, oh, just record what you're doing. It's like,
like what? What am I recording?
Yeah.
I'm not doing anything.
I know. Like, you like all that wind? You like this shit?
I can't hear anything that's going on.
Yeah, the camera can't either, so. Don't drop the fucking pizza, let go.
I'm holding it. This bitch.
Fucking Linda.
There's a little girl pro in my hand. Woo!
Ferrari, baby!
Hey.
Dude, I love that it's nice out now.
Yeah.
All the nice shit's gonna be coming out. Actually,
What?
Oh, another one.
Oh, I don't know if you were able to see it. We'll see.
Yeah, you can turn it off. What?
I said make you so uncomfortable. It's like when you don't know the answer to a question and the teacher's like looking for someone to pick on and you're like, not me.
Yeah.
Don't make eye contact. Woo! Not the same as it was. As it was.
I'm going to hold this itchy.
You should itch it right now. Oh, it's like super itchy.
Oh, we're good. I shit myself. What do you think? Should we do a quick downshift for the boys? And a little river? For the boys?
For the boys.
For the boys? What do you think? I don't see any cops behind me. Should we?
I only see but one car.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. This car's slow, so it doesn't put you in your seat.
Just for fun.
That's just for the boys. There's this one dude in all his videos. He's like the juiciest parts or whatever, and he like gives something like a nice old snack. His name's John Renner. I see you, John. I see you, John. Imagine that fucking deploy the airbag.
What was that?
The
You now have
juiciest,
pizza for a wife.
like the juiciest parts. What's that?
Said you now have pizza for a wife.